Heat exhaustion can be dangerous, even fatal for pets. It can also be devastating for uninformed pet owners. Fortunately, there are some simple steps you can do to protect your pet from the dangers of heat exhaustion. Never leave your dog or cat unattended in your car, even if the temperature is mild. In a locked car, the temperature can climb rapidly to a dangerous level. A cracked window will not prevent your pet from overheating and suffering heat stroke. Animals should have access to shade and fresh water while outdoors and when coming in from exercise or walk on a hot day. If the temperature is very warm, limit time spent outside. If your dog runs or jogs with you in warm weather, be prepared to offer water at regular intervals. Use caution with dogs that are obese, have respiratory difficulties, are seniors, or otherwise unhealthy. They are more prone to heat exhaustion. Short-nosed breeds, such as pugs and bulldogs, are at higher risk of heat exhaustion than other breeds. Pets suffering from heat stroke will normally exhibit some or all of the following symptoms: restlessness, panting, increased respiratory rate, increased heart rate, excess salivation, vomiting, diarrhea. If you believe your pet is suffering from heat exhaustion, seek veterinary care immediately. By being aware of the circumstances in which heat exhaustion can occur, many, if not most cases, are preventable.